from my upcoming book, Oroville. Oroville of God's Desire. I do not know that there will be in my life the certainty, the Oroville of God's desire. For all must cast into the fire of purification all the past. Barring this, ego will last beyond this blessed century, and man become a mockery, who was destined to be king of life and all humanity.